Hello friends, welcome to Kids Worksheets. Let's learn rhyming words with animals' name. Are you ready? Let's start. Bird, word. Bird and word, they rhyme and heard. Cow, plow. Cow and plow, they rhyme and wow. Sheep, jeep. Sheep and jeep, they rhyme and leap. Horse, force. Horse and force, they rhyme and course. Pig, wig. Pig and wig, they rhyme and jig. Deer, cheer. Deer and cheer, they rhyme and appear. Owl, towel. Owl and towel, they rhyme and howl. Fox, box. Fox and box, they rhyme and rock. Kangaroo, shoe. Kangaroo and shoe, they rhyme and woo. Panda. What is the correct rhyming word for panda? Please comment below. Hope you liked this video. Can you think of more animal rhyme? Let's know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.